I found this little, I'm pretty sure it's the little gray crows. My dog was, let me see what's opening his that eye. I think my dog was bumping it. I hope my dog didn't hurt it. I heard it crying. I thought it was a rat. But let's see if he makes it tomorrow. Poor baby. I think his eye is hurt. I think my dog hurt him in some way. But he's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, so I'm gonna put him down. Let him rest. Pretty sure he's hurt. He's hurt. Oh. What happened, baby? I know. We got a new baby. We gotta take care of it, okay?